Y'all better can't cook. Think you there, you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So guys, you have requested it, and here goes my orange seasoning blend. It is so easy to make and it is for all purposes. So I have here some red and green bell peppers. I have a clove of garlic. I have some pimento grains or allspice. I have some scallion. I have one bird's eye pepper and a quarter of an onion. I also have some dried thyme leaves and some olive oil, and guys, you can use any oil of your choice. Now I'm just going to be adding all this to my blender. Then I'm just going to be adding the dried thyme leaves, and I'm just going to give this 3 little shakes. Then I'm going to be adding a half cup of the olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, as I said. Now I'm going to be blending this, and I'll be blending this for about 5 minutes because my blender is not so powerful. However, if you have a really powerful blender, it will take less time. We just need it nice and smooth. Now guys, I'm going to be adding it to this container because whenever I make my orange seasoning blend, once I use some, I always put it in the freezer, and whenever I'm ready to use it, I just thaw and use. Now guys, this is what it looks like. It's so nice and thick and rich. It looks so good, it smells good, and as I mentioned, it is for all purposes. And so you can use this in your rice and peas, your white rice. You can use this on your fish, your chicken, any type of meat. You can definitely use this on. Now this is exactly how I made it for all the dishes that I have prepared so far on Roma's Kitchen. So guys, should definitely make this and try some of the dishes that I have prepared so far using the orange seasoning blend. And of course, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this and if it's something that you'll definitely make. Until next video.